How's it going? We're going to have a look at the new Dell Pro range here now. I'm going to go through the product range to have a look and see how that is. So we're going to go run through. We've got quite a bit to go. So here is the new Pro range. Now we're going to go through a bit of them. We've actually got quite a lot down there. So we'll just go through here. Now this here is the Dell Pro Premium. It comes in the 14 and also comes in the 13. Now from just looking at it, you can see this is a bit of a combine of a Dell XPS. We've got the Dell XPS keyboard right here, and also the Latitude sort of 9,000 or 7,000. This is more for your executive here. Now, what's really nice is that you see there's also got the HDMI port. We've got USB-C or Thunderbolt in this case, and also a USB Type A. So really, it's great because you don't have to worry about any of the adapters with you. This is more for the executives here. So really beautiful there. Now, this only comes in the Intel, and this is a Lunar Lake computer. Now you can see here this is the Dell Pro 14 Plus. This is a portable monitor. This is an IPS monitor, and hopefully we'll get this to have a play with. It's actually quite light. It's actually really, really thin. Yeah, that's really nice. It's very easy to carry, and it comes with a stand, so it's really nice to see. Now, this is what we're really having a lot of fun now. This here is the Dell Pro Max. Now, it comes in the 16-inch and also 14. Now these will come in different variants. You have AMD variant and also the Intel H series one, and will also come in the AMD Strix later on. That will actually be announced on, and these will also come your GPUs. So these here at the moment, you should see that it's what the precision class. Now this is what you will say the precision 7000 series replacement for it. It's got that nice feel to it, and you've got a full-size keyboard. Now this here is the 16. It's got a bit of weight to it, and we can definitely see we've actually got a lot of the ports on the left side, and again we've got the HDMI port. And on the right side, you've got your full set of ports, so you don't have to worry about having it off, but you will probably end up docking it anyway. We've seen those headset of run reviews, and we also got the 32-inch ultra sharp monitors, and probably this one here was the 2K webcam. Now, again, this is a 14-inch version of the Dell Pro Max, and it's going to be interesting later on. Probably in about 2 time, you actually see the AMD Strix version, and I am excited to see that. And that will actually come with a DGPU with the Strix as well, so that's going to more to come. Now, the next part is we've got the Dell Pro Plus 13. Now, Dell Plus 13 is kind of like your 5000 series that you'll see. So the Latitude 5000 series, this is what I call the run of the gut, and it's still a nice premium laptop here. Again, looking at the ports, we actually got some nice ports, and the good thing is you'll see throughout the range, you actually see the HDMI port built into the business class range, which is absolutely fantastic here. Again, you'll find probably the 2-in-1 with it, and this has a lot of possibilities. Well, one of the main things you see the Dell Pros is that the actual USB-C port or the Thunderbolt port is a serviceable port. It's actually a door board that you can actually change, which is absolutely on. Now I'll do that one depth when I actually do the proper review for that one there. Now, it all comes with a 16 variant one, and you can see this actually has the full-size keyboard. Now, with this one here, I actually have noticed one of the things with a lot of the keys is they're actually a lot smaller than what it used to be, but that's just a little, they are a little bit more quieter than what it is, but still got a bit of nice tactile feel. Actually, they've got more tactile feel to them as well. Now, looking at the 16-inch model, we actually have all the ports, and you can see this is a cellular version here. And just looking around this side, you see quite a lot of ports on the 16-inch model, especially, again, making note of the HDMI port. So, again, you don't need to carry dongles around. Fantastic. They're all aluminium built, and they've got that very similar sort of very simplistic, minimalistic, and very premium look to it down here. Now, here comes the Dell Pro 14. Now, the Dell Pro 14 is what you would call the Latitude 3000 replacement, and this is your base model here that is there. So again, you'll have a look at all the ports here. We've got HDMI port and good old USB Type C ports and USB Type A ports. And here now, this one here is still mechanical, and this surprisingly, this still runs off the old previous keyboard feel to it compared to the new keyboards here. Now it comes in more of a plastic version, probably for the K-12 sector. That's probably what they'll be looking at. This one here. Again, this is the Dell Pro 14. I'm sure they'll have a two-in-one version of it. Now, what's really interesting besides the actual is this new port. So they're going to bring out a whole bunch of accessories. Now, this here is the Dell Smart Dock. This is the SD25. Now, what's the things is about a lot of the peripherals is they've actually got now software management that actually helps connect to all these peripherals, including monitors and docks that actually can do firm updates or services. It's going to help with the IT department quite a lot. Now, I'm going to specifically talk about this dock here. Now, this dock here, it does come in a Thunderbolt 5 version here. And that's going to be interesting for those who run really fast speed data transfers. And now you can see there's also USB Type C port, USB Type A port, and we've got quite a number of ports at the back here. So we've got the HDMI port and then two display ports, and of course USB Type C port, which is also display port here. But overall, this should be able to do quite an support for a lot of the computers. So I hope you actually enjoyed that run through there, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.